Hello, everyone. Here is YiLuProxy's channel. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with BitBrowser. First of all, set up YiLuProxy as shown.
Set proxy port, bind address, proxy engine settings, and proxy rules.
Then save. Double-click a static IP to connect. Right-click an IP and select a free proxy port. Check all proxy ports information on port forward list. Then double-click the BitBrowser application icon on the desktop to run it. On BitBrowser, create a new browser profile. Enter a name, select an account platform. Then set proxy. Select SOCKS5. Enter host, 127.0.0.1, port, 1080. Then check proxy network. The IP addresses that one has connected in YiLuProxy. Then save it. Run the profile. Here you can check the browser environment's IP address, which is that IP has connected in YiLuProxy. Then try multi-port proxy IPS. Create two new profile. The proxy port is 5500. The proxy port is 5501. Then run them. The IP addresses that IP assigned to proxy port 5501. The IP addresses that IP assigned to proxy port 5500. The two browsers have different proxy IPs. Then try to connect a rotating IP. Select a country, state, and city, then refresh. You can set the format of copying IP information and the number of refreshing IPs. Then right-click an IP and copy IP information. Then paste IP information in BitBrowser. Check proxy network. Right-click the IP and select Detect IP. You can get the real connected IP. YiLuProxy rotating IPs also support HTTP protocol. Select HTTP. Copy and then paste IP information. YiLuProxy rotating IPs also support port forward like static IPs. Then right-click an IP and select a free port. Enter proxy host and port. Then run them. Here you can see the three browsers environments IPs. OK. The video about integrating YiLuProxy with BitBrowser is over. See you next video.